Hi guys, we're at Blythe Railway Station on the crossing in Staffordshire with Spark, Joe and Aspen Honey. Aspen Honey's my sister, by the way. There we go, the time is 16:43 on Sunday the 27th of March 2016. This is for our 16:47 1 kilo 04 Eastman's train service from Crewe to Derby. This is my train back to Derby. It's been a very long week. By the way guys, this is Joe's train back to Derby. As you can see, he's got his suitcase. Because Joe, well, he's been to Hampshire and Dorset, which was for my birthday special, guys. That's why I got my suitcase. And we're just been to Alton Towers, and we're dropping Joe off at Blythe train station. So I just thought of film. I remember that house point at Dean Station where you can press the next train button and announces. No, there's a help point there as well. Yeah, but there's one in there's also one at Dean as well, wasn't there? There's one at Stone as well. What was that? Yeah, whenever the train goes past that yellow camera, by the way, as you can see, and then silencing road level crossing goes down. Joe, do you think this crossing should be automatic? I think it should. What's the point of being automatic when we went down twice an hour? Eh? What's the point of having it technically when you only go down twice an hour? I think it should be automatic. So automatic, good. I just like automatic level crossings. I've been to Alton Towers there. Yeah. I went on the Sminer twice, Oblivion, the Nemesis, the Galactica, which is the one which has got the goggles where you can see amazing imagination, right? Where you're flying in space and stuff. It's 158. It's a 158. Well, guys, when it hits that yellow camera, there, stance the middle go. That's going off now. Oh, by the way, guys, if you listen closely, I don't think you can hear it. Stanton Road is going down. 158, 857. Never ridden a 158. 158, 857. .158, 857 to Derby and Joe's train back, and the barriers are going up. See you again. Did you have a good time? Yeah. Joe? Yeah. It's been amazing. See you then. Yeah, I'll film your train leave, Joe. Yeah, and I'll see you in Derby. Joe, what? Doing from Blythe to Derby, film again when we get to Derby. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I'll video it so we can put it together. I'll get back at 26 minutes past. I'll see you later. Yeah, I'll film you leave, Joe.
Hi, Joe! Joe! Bye! Hi,
And there's Joe's seat there. Joe, wave to the camera. He's waving. He's waving. Now film the train leaves. Well, it does leave anyway. There she goes. Now she'll go over Stylingston Road level crossing. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.